If you're watching this, I'm sure you've realized how much of an opportunity there is in AI at the moment, but you might be someone who's either not technical, you don't know how to build software, or maybe you're very time poor, but you want to create an AI business and try and capitalize on this once in a lifetime opportunity that we have. And that's where I can really help you out, whether it's a video call just to come up with a bit of planning and to get some advice, or you want me to develop something for you totally. I'm building my own AI software as a service application, but it's time consuming, costs a lot of money, takes a while. And I'm looking at doing a bit of consulting work, probably just for the next few months to help bridge a little bit of that gap for me. So I'd love to help you out. I come from a business background as well, started and ran my own successful businesses. I've always wanted to get into software as a service. So for me, it's very important. I get it from your perspective. It needs to be, if you're funding it yourself, cost effective, quick to market so you can prove product and market fit, and it needs to have a viable business model behind it as well. And I won't build anything unless that's definitely the case. So let's connect for a chat. It'd be really good to hear your idea and what you're thinking of and see if we can work together.